Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. A quick update today. It is Tuesday and markets are now closed. We actually had a little bit of a rebound today. It was nice to see after Monday. Let's just jump straight into the portfolio. We'll show you how we did today now that the markets are closed. All right, here we are in the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade portfolio. We're using the app as always. Now we had actually a decent day. It is just taking a second to load here. I do find that the new app that is out from Wealthsimple, there's a bit of some kind of quirks. It is updated, but sometimes it just takes a little bit longer to load. But anyways, we had not a bad day on the market. It was nice to see that increase from yesterday. We basically gained back and then a little bit of what we had lost. So just another way to kind of learn a little bit. The psychology of all this is just not to panic. Stand beside your portfolio and your plan, and then carry on as business as usual. So nothing to kind of don't freak out in one day. But BEP.UN up a little bit, 0.83. We were up, nice to see it closed at 45.17. We are down a little bit still on this one. We managed to average it down a little bit. We have 10 shares of this now, down 2.77%. I have a feeling we'll gain that back hopefully in the next year quite quickly. We seem to be having a bit of a rally here, hopefully before the markets close for the holiday. CMC, we're up 17% today. We won't dive into that one, but we're up to 24 cents. That's nice. That helps us out definitely a little bit on the portfolio, because that one was way down. ETC 3.3%. Crypto's having a little bit of a rally as well. It's nice to see. Kind of a good day all around. But we are up today. We're up 3.3%. We're still down a little bit on that though, 16.93%. But again, we'll gain this back. I'm not too worried. We're going to keep adding to this. This is one of the ones I'll be focusing on in the new year to keep adding to that ETF. Greenlane Renewables up 3.45% today, up to $1.20 closed at, which is nice. Again, we are still down on this one, 20%. I have a feeling long-term though, this is going to be a good hold. Again, like our plan is for 5 to 10 years on this. We'll leave Greenlane in our portfolio for sure. REI.UN, again, 1.67% up today, which is nice. We have a total of 25 shares of this now. Our return 7.60% on REI.UN, which is nice to see on our RioCan real estate investment trust. And RNW up 1.25%. Again, nice to see. It's always nice when the portfolio is in the green for the most part, at least with the daily raises. We are still down a little bit on this one, unfortunately, 4.96%, but we're going to be averaging into this one. Not too worried. And I think long-term, the renewable energy stocks are going to pay off handsomely. Plus, with RMW, we'll also be getting our monthly dividends, which is always nice. Solar Alliance Energy at 4.17%. That one is still really down. Our portfolio is basically getting drugged down by Solar Alliance. Our little small caps, it's the Solar Alliance and CMC, but again, we're not selling, so we'll just let these ride out. SOT.UN up just a little bit. We are still down 5% on this, but we'll be up to about $5 again on this stock pretty soon, I think. Again, regular dividends that will allow us to reinvest back into the TFSA portfolio as well. So not too shabby. And Telus had a good beginning of the day, but then this is the only one that was basically down on the portfolio, down 0.07%, not too much. So basically flat for the day on Telus. I didn't really read and know what's up with that. I don't know if there's anything particular to worry about, but again, long-term hold on this, not too worried. And our total return still is 6.10%. We have 15 shares on that. And the one thing I have noticed in the portfolio of this is they're basically breaking up fractions in a lot of these shares, and it shows up on all of them. So I'm thinking maybe Wealthsimple is going to be announcing fractional shares for some different stocks here down in the future. I don't know. VDY, these are two ETFs, Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF, again, up 1.19%, which is nice. Always nice to make up on the day, 6.85% in total. We do have 40 shares of that in our TFSA, and we'll get our monthly dividends as well from VDY. And VFV, our Vanguard S&P 500. And again, if you're watching the markets yesterday S&P, everything down yesterday, but we gained all that back basically today, which was nice to see. So we are up 1.57% today, which is nice. And we're up a total with our 19 shares of this. Don't have a lot, but again, it's a little bit pricey ETF, 7.67%. Now let's see if this is reset, but it doesn't, no, it's not letting me actually go in with the app right now to show how we're doing for the day. It's not giving those that information. We'll try and reset it here. Kind of odd for the day. There we go. So up on the day, we can show we are up 1.66% on the day, $123.06, which is nice. And the week 1.77. So we've gained basically what we've lost in that last few days of kind of choppy trading. I think we're still in for a bit of a roller coaster, but it's nice to see a bit of improvement. On the month though, unfortunately down 2.18%. And last 3 months, 2.12%, and then our 1 year, we haven't been obviously going for a year yet, 2.16%, $166.75. We will get that back quite quickly. I'm not too concerned about being down just over 2% on the portfolio at all. Our all-time will be exactly the same because we've only been going since April. Well, there's our update. We'll do another one throughout this week. I think we're going to be in for, again, a bit of a roller coaster the next few days. So we'll do some kind of daily updates. I still haven't done a deposit lately. I am just Christmas is coming, so you want to kind of keep a little bit extra money just in the bank, just in case, you know, it can be an expensive time of year. Thanks for watching the update. We will do an update. I'll get you again in the next couple days. It's great to have everybody following along. If you have made it this far and you aren't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You get notified of new videos. You can follow along my journey. We're going from $0. The goal is all the way up to $100,000, and it would be great to have you follow along on the channel. Till the next video, we'll have a great night, everybody.